Good day. Reporting live from the government palace on the second day of the official state visit by the President of the Senate of the Kingdom of Cambodia to Timor-Leste. This morning, the Cambodian Senate President held an official meeting with the President of the Republic following his official visit to the National Parliament, and now here at the Government Palace, where he was warmly welcomed by His Excellency the Prime Minister, both of the Vice Prime Ministers, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperations, before heading into the Councils of Ministries Hall to be alongside key members of the government. The meeting centered on strengthening bilateral cooperation with discussions covering areas such as political dialogue, economic collaboration, and continued partnership within the ASEAN region. Both delegations expressed a strong commitment to deepening ties, underscoring shared values of mutual respect, solidarity, and regional integration. The ongoing visit reflects the growing friendship between Cambodia and Timor-Leste and highlights their dedication to long-term strategic cooperation. We'll continue to bring you updates as the visit progresses. I'm Digna Sarang, reporting for Tatoli.